Howdy folks. A while back I was making a lot of egg white foams in the ISI whipper. I thought that would be a thing I would do a lot here on the channel. I even made a playlist for it, but other things came up and I didn't do it. But today's the day, we're getting back to it. I'm gonna make absinthe foam. Now I've made root beer foam and mango foam videos in the past, but today we're gonna do absinthe foam. And when it comes to absinthe foam, something that I like to do is take a drink that has just a dash of absinthe or like a spritz maybe of absinthe, and then you pull that out of the drink and you put that flavor into the foam. This works well with absinthe because absinthe is often something that is just a dash of absinthe in a drink or a spritz, like I was saying. Now, a great drink in this genre is the Corpse Reviver. It is equal parts gin, Cointreau, Lillet, and lemon juice with a dash of absinthe. So what I'm gonna do is make my Corpse Reviver. I'll leave the absinthe out. We'll add that element in the foam. Something else I like to do is use Swedish Punch instead of Lillet in my Corpse Reviver, so I'm gonna do that as well. Also, I'm out of Lillet. So here's what we did for the absinthe foam. We got 2 egg whites, we got 1 ounce of absinthe, 1 ounce of lime juice, using super juice. Got 1 ounce of simple syrup, I'm using my standard GOM syrup, and 3 ounces of water. Now, my plan was to make egg white foam in the normal manner, but add foam magic. I was gonna see if that improved the longevity of the foam or improved the texture or anything like that, but I forgot to put it in. So we're gonna turn that mistake into an opportunity. We're gonna do a comparison between regular egg white foam and egg white foam with foam magic and see if there's any discernible difference. Now, I only have 1 of these ISI whippers, so what I'm gonna have to do is make the first Corpse Reviver, put the regular foam on top with no foam magic. We'll film it, we'll see how long it takes to dissolve or whatever. Then I'll have to clean out the whipper and make the second batch with the magic foam. I'll make another drink and we'll time that and we'll see how that goes. All right, let's run a couple tests. So, test concluded. I can't tell any difference between the 2 foams. At around 5 minutes, the foams were both pretty much going away. And a couple of minutes later, pretty much totally dissolved. It's been several minutes now, and this, I don't know if you can see this, but this drink the foam is completely gone. Still tastes good though. So my conclusion from this very scientific test, foam magic isn't really improving things. So that was not the solution to getting a longer lasting foam. And I don't know what the solution is. If you have any idea, let me know down in the comments. If you know a good use for foam magic, put that down in the comments as well. I assume it's good for some kind of like, you know, culinary foam, like, I don't know, a chicken broth foam or something like that. But it's not really helping me in the cocktail world. Maybe there's something I'm doing wrong. I don't know. If you have any information, let me know. So, but science aside, absinthe foam is pretty good. And I'll stick with what I said in the mango foam video, you want to put this on your drink right before you serve it. It does dissipate pretty quickly, but it's very impressive when you first put it down. So make your drink, put the foam on, and immediately give it to your guest, or take a picture, or whatever you're gonna do. The absinthe foam tastes really good. Absinthe, really, it does add that sort of hint of absinthe to the Corpse Reviver. So I stand behind that. Anyway, a little science here on the channel. I hope that was fun or informative. Let me know what you think down in the comments. We'll see you next time.